Hello guys, welcome back again, and in this video we are going to analyze JasmyCoin for a long term and short term basis. Currently just look at this bearish move, look at this bloodbath in this whole market. You must be wondering why I am happy because this was my analysis which I have done in my previous video. Just go on my YouTube channel, watch my previous video on JasmyCoin, and you will be amazed that I predicted all this move. I am consistently explaining that breakdown had happened already of this triangular structure, and because previously look at the market, it was bearish, and if this type of structure forms in this bearish move, it's of course bearish and market perfectly goes downside. Even that, I am not saying it's not disturbing, it is disturbing. Why? Because it just crashed in just a few hours. That should not how it go. There is no sense that it is directly going here without any stop, because when breaks of structure happens, there will be some retracement, there will be some stops, and then again market goes slowly in its own direction. But due to only one fundamental news can cause this type of issues. US just applies tariffs on China, 100% tariffs, and that decision can still be reconsidered by the US. He will definitely reconsider that. But all those people who lost their money, that money will not come back. China maybe remove its tariffs from the China, but US maybe can go in another treaty. But how the liquidated money will came back? Of course, that's not going to happen. And in just a few hours, that devastation happened. I am already in a shock, and of course, I was in sell side. Look at my analysis. I am pretty much happy. That does not hurt me anything. But if what will happen if I was in buy side? If I was in buy side instead, if there was bullish signs, if I was in buy side, will that cost me? Of course not. Why? Because I use stop loss, I use money management. I just put stop loss here. Simple. Let it go where it wants. I can't stop, I can just exit. No one can stop the market. This whole market is very unpredictable. Anything can happen at any time. Any news can come. Any country can do anything. Okay, we are living in this whole unpredictable world. Anytime alien ship can come and destroy us. Anytime this whole universe can be just explode. Anything can happen. So we have to go with very careful behaviors, and if you are not careful, of course you will be destroyed by some market manipulations. And if you are not careful, maybe some other reasons, because this is very, you can say, awkward thing that even billions of dollars are wasted or washed away in just few hours. All those exchanges are very happy, they are dancing, and all those people who don't use stop losses and risk management, they lose everything. Very very bad and shocking. So even somebody found dead on Lamborghini. Even my friends One of my friend made $1 million from $50K. I consistently told him that use risk management, but he don't listen me, and his $1 million is washed away in just 1 hour. What we can do? No, he's crying. So this market gives lesson each time. And what is the lesson in this dumb? Use risk management, use stop loss. That's the only way you can stay long term. Otherwise, this market will throw you out even after few years if you are not placing stop losses. Somebody is making money from 2 years and he lost all his money in just few hours. Why? Because he does not put stop losses. That's very important. Now let's go on daily time frame and let's see what we have next. It was dumped, I think 60%. Very awkward, shocking behavior. Now it's testing this fair value gap, but according to my analysis, volumes are increasing on this up move, which means volumes are increasing when market is touching this fair value gap. It's not that much valid, but still if you found any bearish signs like bearish engulfing or evening star in this bearish fair value gap, then you can take entry, but stop loss will be here. You can take entry for sell side. You can target again this area or this fair value gap. That's the structural simple moves. Keep in mind that no bearish engulfing is forming, but this fair value gap is not retested yet. It can also hit the stop loss if we place here. Stop loss should be here above this fair value gap, and if market hits your stop loss, absolutely fine. Just let it go where it goes. We will again enter when there will be bullish setup. Okay, I use trend friendly strategies and all my strategies are going with the trend. And if anybody wanted to learn my method of analysis, my method of predicting moves, and my method of analyzing, I usually analyze and predict whales, institutions, and smart money. And that method is called volume spread analysis. I don't keep anything secret. Everybody can learn. I teach on Udemy. All my courses are available there. My volume spread analysis course is available with 50% discount for this crash now, because people don't listen to advices and they don't use risk management. For this I have given courses for 50% discount now. You can take benefit. So when smart money will enter in this market, he will leave some footprints, he will leave some hints on the volumes, and I usually read those hints, footprints, and then based on some other confirmations. I totally don't believe in just volumes. I use some other confirmations like price action confirmation, market structure confirmation, and then I usually take trade in the direction of trend if volume confirmation is there. Okay, so based on just few things, or based on just on your emotions, or based on your sixth sense, you cannot take entries, and don't try to use gambler's approach. And of course you have to control your psychology, mental things, and fear, greed, FOMO. All these things should be out of context if you are serious about it. Otherwise, if anybody is doing it for learning and for fun, then of course he cannot sustain long term.